Hello students, this is the second part of exercise 1.1 class 7 NCERT maths, and the first chapter is what? Integer, and we are solving the second part, and that means in first part we have solved till question number 7. Okay, and in this part we will start with question number 8. Okay, so what is the question? Verify a minus b equals to a plus b for the following values of a and b, and we are given 4 questions. Okay, so what have to do here? We have to verify this given condition. We have to verify this given condition for the given values of a and b, and we are given 4 set of values. 1 2 3 4 4 sets of different values we are given a and b, and we have to check whether the given condition is applicable for a and b or not. So suppose question number 2 I am taking. All the questions you have to solve by the same way, so that I will solve only one question, and by the same method you have to solve all the questions. Okay, so a is equals to b, a equals to this one, b is equals to this one, and we have to verify what? This condition. So whenever we will have this type of questions that verify that, show that, I'm writing here. Okay, verify that, verify that, then show that, prove that. Okay, then RHS and LHS we have to solve individually. That means what? Whenever in the question it is mentioned that verify that, show that, prove that, that time we have to solve right hand side and left hand side individually. That means separately we have to solve. That means what? We are given this condition. Okay, we are given which condition? This condition, and we have to check this condition individually. Why? Because it is given verify. Okay, this is the rules for verify that, prove that, show that, this type of questions. Okay, only for this type of questions you have to solve right hand side and left hand side separately. Now, how can you separate the left hand side and right hand side? How can you identify? Okay, from this equation, how you can identify that which one is the right hand side and which one is the left hand side? Suppose this equal sign is u, and your right hand side will be the equation's right hand side, and your left hand side, that means what's your left hand side? This one. So your left hand side will be the equation's left hand side. Okay, so we are taking first left hand side, and what is the left hand side? This is left. Your left hand side, this one. So equation's left hand side is which one? This one only. So left hand side to take it first. Now what have to do? We have to put the value of a and b here, then we have to do the calculation. Okay, so what is the value of a and b here? Now we have taken question number 2 here. So what is the value? What is the value of a? 118. Okay, then minus, then bracket, then minus, then b is equals to what we are given? 125. So is it clear what we have written? We have written the value of a and b, and otherwise all the things except only b and a, all the things remain same. You can see here a, at the place of a we have written 118, then minus, then bracket, then again minus, then at the place of b we have written the value of b 125, then bracket close. Is that clear? Now we have to solve it. So what is the rule? What is the rule to solve it? First of all, whenever we are having the bracket, then first of all we have to remove the bracket. So, and how to remove the bracket? Just we have to multiply the symbol only. Okay, so 118, no problem, it will be same as it is. Now here minus into minus equals to what? Plus 125. Now what I have to do? We have to plus it. Okay, now 8 and 5 13, carry 1, 2 and 1 3, and carry 1 4, 1 and 2. Okay, the value of left hand side we have got what? 243. Now we have to solve the right hand side, and which one is the right hand side? This one is the right hand side. Okay, first of all you will write down this thing, because I am going to erase it. Okay, and this thing you have to apply for all types of question, verify that, prove that, show that. For any type of question you can use it. Okay, now left hand side, now we will check the right hand side. Okay, and what is the right hand side? A plus B only. So what I have to do? Put the value as we have put it here in left hand side. A is equals to what? 1 and 18, plus B is equals to what? 1 and 25. So 8 plus 5 13, carry 1, 2 and 1 3, 4, 8 and 5 13, carry 1, 2 and 1 3, and carry 1 4, 2 and 2. So you can see here left hand side we have got 243, and right hand side also we have got 243. So what we can write here? Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, and here whenever the question is asking verify, and here you have to write what? Verified. Okay, like this way you have to solve all the question. I have solved here only question number 2, but like this way you have to solve question number 1, 3 and 4. Is that clear? Same to same you have to apply these rules as we have done in these questions. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Now question number 9, use the sign greater than, less than or equal in the box to make the statements true. So first of all what I have to do, suppose I am taking question number A, what I have to do here? We have to solve the both part, this part and this part. Then what I have to do? Then we have to compare the both part, and then we have to put here sign. So one by one we will solve it. Okay, suppose I am taking this part, minus 8 plus minus 4. So find out the value of it. So minus 8 plus minus 4, so that means what? Minus 12. And find out the value of this part, minus 8 then minus 4. Okay, then find out the value, minus 8 plus minus plus 4. Now it will be what? Minus 4. Okay, now you can see here this one equals to minus 12 and this one equals to minus 4. So which one is greater? Minus 4 is greater than minus 12 according to our number line. Do think it, don't be confused. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, suppose minus 4, then dot 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 dot. Here it is suppose minus 12. So according to the number line, these numbers are arranged in what? I told you, ascending order, like this. So that means 12 is less than minus 12 is less than minus 4. So minus 12, this one is less than minus 4. Okay, now next part, minus 3. Okay, minus 3 plus 7 minus only 19. Okay, so minus 3 plus 7 then minus 19. That means what? Minus 3 plus 7, that means plus 4 minus 19, that means what? Minus 15. And check out this part, that means 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Okay, 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. So that means what? 15 minus 8, that means what? 7 plus minus 9, that means what? Minus 2. That means minus 15, and here minus 2. Which is greater? Minus 2 is greater than minus 15. That means this one. Now only 23 minus 41 plus 11 to solve it. So that means 41 minus 23, that means 8, carry 1, 1 3 1, minus 18 plus 11, that means what? Minus 7. Okay, now solve this part, 23 minus 41 minus 11. So 41 minus 23, so that means minus 18. Okay, 8, carry 1, 23, 3 and 1 4. Okay, minus 8 minus 11. Now it will be 9 and minus 29. Now which one is greater than, between these two numbers, which one is greatest? Minus 7 is greater than minus 29, so this one greater than. Same to same this one. Suppose 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. To solve it, 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. Okay, now to solve it, 39 minus 24, that means 5 carry 5, no carry, 15 minus 15, that means 15 minus 15 0. So this part, 36 plus minus 52 minus 36, 36 minus 52 minus plus 36. Okay, so to sorry so 52 minus 36, that means 6 carry 1 3 on 4, 16 minus 16 plus 36 20. So that means what? Now 0 is less than 20, so that means this one less than. And like this way also, question number E you have to solve. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Now question number 10 is asking what? There is a water tank. Okay, try to understand the question first. There is a water tank, and this water tank is having some steps inside it. Okay, so and at the first step, that is the topmost step, one monkey is sitting there at the first step, and the water level of the water or of the tank is at the 9th step. Okay, now the first question is asking what? If the monkey jumps 3 steps, so right now monkey is here, now jumps 3 steps, 1 2 3, so monkey reached at where? At the 4. Then monkey jumps 2 steps back, then from here 2 steps back, 1 2. Now monkey is where? At the 2nd step. Now if the monkey is doing like this, means first he jumps 3 steps, then jumps back 2 steps. If he is doing like this, then in how many jumps will he reach the water level? Then how many jumps will he reach at the water level? That means at the 9th step. This is the question. So in first jump, he will be at the step where first of all he is at 1, then he will go to the 3 steps, that means 4 steps. Okay, at the first jump he will be at the step where first of at the starting position monkey is at the first step. Okay, and he jumps 3 steps, so first step plus 3, that means 4 step, monkey will reach at 4 step at the first jump. And in the second jump, he will be at the step. Now in the second jump he is doing what? He is doing jumps back 2 steps, then jumps back 2 steps. So right now means after the first jump he is at 4 step, then 2 steps back, that means minus 2, that means he will now, means after the second jump he will be in the 2nd step. Okay, now in third jump he will be at which step? So right now he is 2nd step. Okay, and from the 2nd step he will jump again 3 steps. So right now he is at 2, so from 2 then he will he will jump 3 steps. So from 2, 1, 2, 3 plus 3, that means he will be at 5th step. And in next jump he will be at 5, then minus 2, third step. Are you getting this thing? Try to understand. He jumps 3 steps down and 2 steps back. So at the first position, monkey is at where? At the first step. So first means firstly he will jump 3 steps and then he will jump 2 steps back. So firstly he will jump 2 steps. So at the first position, monkey is at the first position. Then he will jump 3 steps. So 1 plus 3, that means he will be at 4 steps after the first jump. And then he is doing what? 2 steps jumps back. So at the second steps, 2 steps back. That means 4 minus 2, 2 steps. And again he jumps 3 steps. So 2 plus 3, 5 steps. And again he jumps back 2 steps. So 5 minus 2, 3. And then in 5th he jumps 3, then minus 2, then plus 3, 6 step. And in 6th he will be at 6 minus 2, that means 4th step. Okay. In 7th jump he will be at where? In 7th jump he will be at minus 2, then again 3 steps, that means 7th step. In 8th jump he will be at 3, then 7th step, no, then it is 3, then it is minus 2, that means 5th step. Okay. In 9th he will be at 5th, then plus 3, 8th step. And in next jump, that means at the 10th jump he will be at 8, then here plus 3, then here minus 2 steps, 2 steps back. That means 6th step. And in 10th jump, 11th jump, 6th step plus 3, that means he will reach at 9th step. Okay, so after how many jumps? After 11th jumps he will reach at the 9 steps. So write down the answer here. After 11th jumps he will reach at the 9th step. Okay. Now one thing I want to tell, I have put it here, this sign, this sign, this arrow sign, but you will not put it. This is not allowed. Okay, because I have put it because of wasting our time. If you will put it, then it will waste the time. So that for ignoring the wasting our time, I have done like this. But you will write the statement properly here. When you will solve it, then you will write the statement properly. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Now question number 2 is telling what? After drinking water. Now after the first question, monkey reached at where? At the 9th step. Okay, now after drinking water he wants to go back. After drinking water he wants to go back at the top step. Okay, for this he jumps 4 steps up. Now at the first jump he jumps 4 steps up. So from the 9, 4 steps up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after the 4 steps, after jumping the 4 steps, okay, he will be at where? He will be at 5, and then jumps back 2 steps down. Then 2 steps down. 1, 2. That means where? Monkey is at 7. So after the first jump, so after the first jump, monkey will be at the step. So first of all, monkey is starting to jump from step 9, because after drinking water means at the 9th step he already take the water. After taking water he is going up. Okay, so 4 steps up. So 4 steps up means -4. Try to understand. If 9 minus 4, then it is 5. So 1 2 3 4, 4 steps up. That means he will reach at 5th step. Then in the second jump, okay, in second jump, monkey will reach at where? Then 5 steps, then 2 steps back, then 3 step, monkey will reach at 2 steps back means, try to understand here, 2 steps back means 5 plus 2, that means at the second step. Try to understand here, he is going up. So up means 9 minus 4, that means 5. 9 minus 4 steps, that means 5 step. That means after having the first jump, he will reach at 5. Okay, and after jumping 4 steps, again he jumps 2 steps back. So after reaching the 5th step, again he will jump back 2 steps. That means 5 plus 2, that means 7th step he will reach. So 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So at the third jump, he will be at which step? Third jump. That means he is going up 4 step. So going up means -4. Going up means -4. That means third step. Okay. And fourth jump. Okay. At fourth jump, first of all, going up 4 step and then coming down 2 steps. That means 3 plus 2, 5th step. Okay. Then 5th jump, again 5 minus 4, that means first step. Okay, that means first step. Try to understand the series now here. Jump 4 steps up, so 9 minus 4, 5. Then up 4 steps down, 2 steps down, so plus 2. That means after 9, 4 steps up, that means 9 minus 4, 5. Then 2 steps down, so 5 plus 2, 7. Then same series we have to continue here. After 7, 4 steps up, that means we have done -4, so -4, that means third step. And then 2 steps down. 2 steps down means we have added here, so 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now after this step, again 4 steps up. So 4 steps up means 5 minus 4, that is first step. Now first step means this one, and that means after 5 jumping, 5th jump, monkey will reach at first step. Is that clear? That means the topmost step. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Now question number 3, it is asking what if the number of steps moved down is represented by the negative. So down means what? Down means what? Negative. Okay, I'm writing shortcut. Okay, and represent a negative integer, and the number of steps move up by positive integer. Up by positive integer. Okay, represent his moves in 1 and 2 by completing the following. So we have to complete the following by representing down negative and up positive. So in our first question, that means whenever monkey is coming from up to down, monkey is coming to first step to the ninth step to take the water. In that question, what we have done, 3 steps down and 2 steps up. So for the down, minus, and up, positive. So 3 steps down, minus 3, and 2 steps up. For the down means 3 down 3 steps. In question number 1, we are talking about question number 1. What we have done, down 3 steps and up 2 steps. First of all, 3 steps down, 1 2 3 down, then 2 steps up. Okay, that thing we have done. Okay, so for the down, negative, so minus 3, negative 3. So for the up, positive, so positive 2, plus 2. And how many steps we have done there? 11 steps. So first step, minus 3, second step, plus 2, third step, minus 3, next step, plus 2, next step, minus 3, then next, plus 2, then minus 3, then plus 2. And how many steps were there? 11. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, then 10, then 11. Is that clear to all? Is that clear to all? That what we have done here, we were having the 11 steps there in question number 1. That means after having the 11 steps, monkey reached at the point at the part 9 to take the water. No, so for the 3 steps down means negative. For the 3 steps down, we are taking negative 3, and for the 2 steps up, we are taking up means positive, so we are taking positive 2. So positive 2. So again negative 3 means again 3 down, 3 up, again 3 down, 2 up, again 3 down, 2 up, again 3 down, 2 up, again 3 down. Now how many steps? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Total 11 steps monkey has done. Then he has got 8. Now you do check it that if you will add these all numbers, then will you get minus 8 or not? Do check it. Okay, now we will talk about what? B. Question number B. What we have done? In question number B, we have done 4 steps. 4 steps means in question number 2, what we have done means after taking water, monkey wants to go up now. After taking water, monkey wants to go up. So he jumps up 4 steps. He jumps up 4 steps, then jumps back 2 steps. In question number 2, what we were having, he jumps up 4 steps and jumps down again 2 steps. So for the up, positives, so jumps up means 4 positive, and jumps down negative, so jump down means minus 2. Down means minus, and 2 steps down means so minus 2. So how many steps were there in question number 2? 5 steps total. So minus 4, so plus 4, minus 2, then again plus 4, then again 4 steps up, then 2 steps down, again 4 steps up. Now how many steps are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 steps completed, equals to will be 8. Now you do check it, left hand side and right hand side equal or not. Okay, do add all this means do the calculation here, and will you get 8 or not? If it is, then it is correct, otherwise it is wrong. You will check it. Okay, so is it clear how to get it? That means 4 steps up. That means after drinking water, we are talking about in this question, after drinking water, 4 steps up means plus, so plus 4, and 2 steps down means minus, so minus 2. Again 4 steps up, then 4 steps down, 2 steps down, again 4 steps up, 4 steps up, then 1 2 3 4 5. 5th step, after covering the 5th step, That means fifth step of fifth jumps. After covering the fifth jumps, monkey reached at the top point. In question number 2 we have done. Now it is telling what in A the sum -8 represents going down. Okay. Now we are erasing this because otherwise you will be confused. Now what is this asking? In A, that means in here the sum -8 represents the going down. -8 is represents what? What? Going down. In means in question number 1 monkey is going where? Going to down. Okay, going down by 8 steps. Going down by 8 steps. Okay, no problem because it is 8 here. So that we will the sum 8. So what will be the sum 8 in B represent? That means what? The sum 8. If minus is what? Minus means going minus is going down. So plus means what? Plus 8 means is what? Minus is down. Already it is given. Minus means it is down, and positive means it is what? Up. So plus 8 means going up. Okay, if -8 is going down, if -8 represents going down, then plus 8 is represent what? Plus 8 is representing going up. The sum +8 represents, write down, represents going up. Okay, so these are the solution of exercise 1.1 class 7 NCERT maths first chapter. Okay, and thank you for watching my video.